Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our school, Shri Veda, the Universe School. My name is Usha Rani and I will teach you mathematics. Yes, what we have learned in our previous class, have learned how to measure lengths without using measuring things. Yes, how we have measured by using foot, hand span, so arm span and hand span. What is foot? How we will measure? We will measure with foot. See, there is no gap. Yes, there is no gap between two foots. Yes, like this we will measure. Yes, with foot. And this is the distance between thumb finger to little finger is called hand span. Yes, the distance between elbow to middle finger. Elbow to middle finger is called what? Cubit or arm span. By using like this also you can measure. See, here to here one arm span and here to here two and here to here. Yes, elbow to this three, again here to here this much and half. See what is the length of this board with my hand, with my arm span are cubits 1, 2, 3, 4 and half cubits, 4 and half cubits. Yes, and we have measured with hand span also yesterday, right? Yes, in our previous class, right? So like this we will measure. These are called what? These foot, hand span, arm span, pace, these are called what? Non-standard measuring units of length. These are non-standard measuring units of length. In this class, we are going to learn standard measuring units of length. What are the standard measuring units of length? For example, I want to know the length of this book. I want to know the length of this book. How can I measure? By using measuring things. Yes. I want to measure this length of this book. How can I measure? By using this roller. Roller or scale. Roller or scale. How you will measure with this one we will learn now. By using roller. First, this roller starts with which number? 0. This is 0 and small lines will be there, no? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, little bit big. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yes. Yes. Here to here 1 centimeter. 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. And see 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 centimeters. 1 to 3, 3 centimeters. See what is the length of this scale? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Up to which number is there? 30, right? Yes, this is 30 centimeters roller or scale. This is 30 centimeter scale. Centimeter, C-E-N-T-I, centimeter, M-E-T-R-I, centimeter, C-E-N-T-I, centimeter. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yes. Centimeter. C-E-N-T-I. Centi. M-E-T-R-E. Centimeter. We can measure length. This is the unit of length. Centimeter. Every time we cannot write centimeter, centimeter, right? So we use it to write short form. We used to write in short form. What is the short form of centimeter? Short form of centimeter. Centimeter is centi, M means meter, C means centi, M means meter. This centimeter, see this is centimeter scale. This is centimeter scale. See here one number to another number. Here 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. In between 1 to 2, 1 more centimeter. Total 2 centimeters. 2 to 3, yes, 3 to 4. Like that numbers has given on this scale, no? So you can watch these numbers, and up to 30 is there, no? So this is 30 centimeter scale. See here one number to another number, some lines are there, no? Small lines. See 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, these small lines are called millimeter. These small lines are called millimeter. These small lines are called what? Millimeter. M-I-L-L-I, milli, M-E-T-R-E, millimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? Here to here 1 centimeter, right? Here to here 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. What we are writing here? mm. M means milli, M means meter. Millimeter. Mm is the short form of millimeter. Is the short form of millimeter. Yes. Smaller objects we will measure by using centimeter. Millimeter is smaller than centimeter. So what is the standard measurement of length? What is the standard measurement of length? If we combine the centimeters, 100 centimeters, if we combine 100 centimeters, we will get 1 meter. See here. Do you know what is this? Yes, did you see this one at your home? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Here. Yes, 100 is there, no? 1, 0, 0, 100. Here, 0 to, not there here. Yes, 100 is there, no? 100. So 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. If we combine 100 centimeters, we will get 1 meter. So here to here 1 meter, here to here 1 meter. By using this tape, now I want to measure the length of this board by using this tape, measuring tape. See, what is the length of this? Here to here 100. Yes. Again you have to start from this only, not from 100. Starting you have to come here to here 85. 85. That means 1 meter 85 centimeter. You should not write 185 meters. That is 1 meter. 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. Okay. 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. So this is what is this? 100 centimeters. 85 meters, no? 100 centimeters. What is the length of this bone? 100 centimeters and 85. 100 plus 85 centimeters. 100 centimeters and 85 centimeters. In place of 100 centimeters, we can write 1 meter. We can write 1 meter because 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Yes. So here we cannot write 85 centimeters as 1 meter because here less than 100, no? So 1 meter 85 centimeters. Like this you have to write. Don't write 185 meters. 185 meters. 1 meter only. 85 centimeters. 85 centimeters. So 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? Remember these measurements, children. Okay? Yes, you will learn this in your next classes also. Means third, fourth, fifth. You have these measurements. So learn this chapter carefully. Okay? So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. The distance between one number to another number on ruler is 1 centimeter. The small lines between these two numbers are called millimeters. Millimeters. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters and 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. So here we have millimeters, meters, millimeters, meters and centimeters, right?